morning, guys. August 3rd, 2026. And I got a call from an old lady. She ran out of oil and she wants me to go over there and bleed the oil line. And I asked her about if she did any service on this boiler lately, because, you know, sometimes, you know, they run out of oil and then the oil company comes, puts oil in a tank and, you know, the filter's blocked, or you know, then you got to change it. She wanted to know how much it's going to cost her just to bleed it. And you know, if I run into problems with the filter or the nozzles being dirty or something like that, she doesn't want to pay extra. She just wants the minimal. I says, what happens if I can't bleed the oil line and it's blocked? What happens then? On and on and on with her. She asked me like 5 times how much is this going to cost her. So I don't know, I'm a little leery about even going over there to do this flipping job. Watch the fucking bottom. Watch the bottom of this tank be all rotted out or something. She says her husband used to take care of it, but he's no longer around. So I don't know. I'm a little leery about it. I'm going there just to bleed the oil line and get it going. That's it. I'm not doing anything else. I don't like working like this, but sometimes you have to, you know, do what the customer wants. I should have just told her to call someone else is what I should have said. I'm not too comfortable about it. I'm not too comfortable about going over here and dealing with her. After talking to her on the phone for a couple, 5-10 minutes, I mean, it's like, holy shit, lady. You asked me 5 times on how much it's going to cost you. It's 1 hour. 1 hour minimum for me to go out there. Well, if I'm there for an hour or I'm there for 2 minutes, it's still 1 hour. Well, you're not going to be there for an hour. Well, what did I just say? I mean, it's a 1 hour minimum. That means 1 hour minimum. But you're not going to be here for an hour. She's telling on and on. Holy shit, lady. Sucks to get old, I guess.
I'm just curious.
Well, I gotta bleed it here, and I gotta start it to see if I can bleed it. It's an overhead oil line, so hopefully it's not blocked. They didn't put a lot of oil. They didn't put what, 50 gallons, and not a lot of oil.
Well, oil would have been 100 gallons like years ago, but it's so expensive now.
Yeah, nothing's cheap anymore.
No, nothing's cheap.
Let's see if I can get this thing to bleed. The guy didn't try bleeding it, no?
No, he just put the oil in on the outside, and he says they don't do that anymore.
Oh, it's because I probably have problems with the blockages and whatnot. Let's see if we can get it to go. Hopefully we can.
It should. It was working prior to it, you know, not working when I had oil, but I ran out of oil.
Hit the reset.
2 days ago.
Hit the reset button and see if we get it going here.
My next thing is, I've got a car that I want to sell outside. It's a 56 Ford. And when I got that sold, I want to get a new furnace. Because when the guy came down, he said the furnace needs a new furnace.
There we go. We're getting a little flow here. There we go.
My husband used to know how to do that stuff. I don't know if now after the way they're different, you know.
So you said you had it serviced recently? You've had the filter and the nozzle changed recently? Because I'm not doing any of that stuff because you didn't want it.
They said it did.
They said they did it?
Yeah.
Who did?
Whoever came down here.
Did they leave a tag or something? Because I'm just doing the bleeding. Just get it going for you. But the nozzle and the filter should be changed once a year. Just so you know.
Okay, that's
If the thing fills up with soot and it doesn't burn right, it's not my fault.
No, I understand that.
You know, like I tried telling you on the phone, you know?
Yeah.
You just want me to get it going for you, that's what I'm doing.
That's all I need to do because it was cleaned out and
I got it going, I bled the air out, and I got it going for you, but I didn't touch anything else.
okay.
Just so long as we're on the same page here.
Yeah, it's working really good. I mean, I want to get a new furnace.
But like I said, you should have it serviced once a year.
Well, when the guy came and bought that,
How long ago was that?
couple months.
Oh, a couple of months.
Maybe 2 months.
Probably more like 2 years, no?
Oh no, that's new.
Oh, it is? So he did the filter and the nozzle at the same time?
I don't know if he did that. He said he did that.
Well, it's running.
Well, yeah, it has everything. I know they have to be cleaned, but I just don't have the experience to do that.
I just want to make sure if something happens, you're not calling me back and say, well, you were just here. I want to make sure that you know what's going on.
It was working prior, so it should be working now.
It's working now. Well, I don't know what kind of condition the nozzle or the filter's in. Okay?
Yeah, no, it's working good before, but it just ended. I need to get oil in it.
I don't see any tags or anything on this thing. Alright, so they bled the overhead oil line. No service per homeowner. Not all full of soot, but you only got a quarter of a tank there, so that's only 50 gallons.
Right, that's all I got.
Okay.
That's all I could afford at that time.
Alright.